Welcome to Math with Professor V. Here's your integral of the day. And no, this is not an April Fool's joke. So we have an indefinite integral of x minus 1 times e to the x over x squared dx. I'll give you a hint. You need to do integration by parts if you want to pause the video and try it on your own. So I'm going to jump right in. We need to pick u and dv. And after playing around with it, what works out is u needs to be x minus 1 along with e to the x. And then dv should just be 1 over x squared dx. You might find some other combination that works, so let me know in the comments down below. All right, now we need to find du and v. So when we're differentiating u, remember we do need to use the product rule because x minus 1 is a function and then so is e to the x. So let's take the derivative now. Derivative of x minus 1 is just going to be 1, and I leave e to the x alone. Plus, now I'm going to leave x minus 1 alone, and then derivative of e to the x is e to the x. And I'm adding parentheses because don't forget you need a dx at the end of all of this. And I'm going to clean up because notice this is e to the x plus, if we distribute through right here, this is going to be x e to the x minus e to the x dx. And then, yes, are you getting excited too? These e to the x's cancel out. Fabulous. And we just have x e to the x dx. Nice. Now, to find v, we have to take the antiderivative of 1 over x squared. If you need to remind yourself, this is x to the negative second dx. That might be helpful. So remember, when we take an antiderivative, we add 1 to the exponent and we divide by the new exponent. So I'm going to have negative x to the negative first, which is the same as negative 1 over x. All right, so now we're ready to go ahead, rewrite our integral using the by parts formula. Do you remember what it is? Oh, good. It's u times v. That goes all the way on the outside. So that will be x minus 1 e to the x times negative 1 over x. I'm just going to put the minus sign out here and then over x like that. Are you all right? Good. Minus integral. And then the next product is v times du. So look at v times du. See how there's a minus sign? That's going to switch the minus sign in front of the integral to be positive. And then I have x e to the x dx times 1 over x, or divided by x. So take a second, marinate on the formula, make sure you can follow along. We're good? Okay, do you see more fabulous cancellation happening left and right? Yes, these x's go bye-bye. Great. And then while I'm here, I'm going to distribute, okay? So I'm going to write this as, I'm going to distribute the negative and the e to the x. This is negative x e to the x plus e to the x. And these are over x. Plus, now I have integral e to the x dx. Maybe you already took the antiderivative. It was just too tempting. Great. Again, notice more cancellation here in this first term. Those x's are gone. So I have negative e to the x plus e to the x over x plus antiderivative of e to the x. Here's my favorite, e to the x, and then don't forget a plus c now. And then again, the cancellation party just does not stop. We have negative e to the x and e to the x. So all that we're going to be left with is, that's right, e to the x over x plus c. And we're done. We are done. So that concludes the integral of the day. I thought this one was fun because the by parts, I mean, I think we all could agree we would have tried integration by parts. The choice was a little curious. And I'm also wondering, could we have played around with it and done it a little differently? That is something I love to explore and try. So if you have a different way, please let me know in the comments down below. I also liked the continual canceling and how clean the answer was. That's always so satisfying. It's like, ooh, what a pleasant surprise. What an extreme makeover. Do you watch that television show, Extreme Makeover? I don't even know if they play it anymore, but I loved it. So that concludes the video. That's your integral of the day. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. Please help my channel grow. And you can also watch full-length video lectures. I have them all organized into playlists. And please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all the things. It's Math with Professor V. I love you all. I'll be back sooner than later. Bye.